Welcome back to the coreDMC tutorial series. In this episode, we will go into detail on how to populate a proposal with services and content. Inside the project screen, at the top of the services section, you'll see the title of your current proposal, the travel date range, the duration of travel, the number of guests, and the total number of rooms. To the right, you have a price information panel where you can see at a glance the margin, commissions, and total prices for the project. This updates in real time as you add services to the project, so you always have this information on each screen. Below this is the timeline, which you use to sketch the outline of the proposal. This can help you visualize how all the services come together with details like start and end times, so that there are no accidental overlaps. Below the timeline is the services list. Here are all the services that you have in the system and a search bar so that you easily find the specific service you need again. This is important when you have a long list of services in the system. Clicking a service opens up the variant list on the right where you can add the number of units the proposal requires. Here you see the max total, the prices, and the basis of that price. For example, for a hotel, add one double room for a proposal for 2 guests, which is priced as per room per night basis. Add the room and just drag and drop into the timeline and the system will update the prices. Continue adding services into the timeline to build up the skeleton of your proposal until it matches the client brief you have. You can always call the client brief up by pressing this button. Next, you can add the arrival and departure information from the client brief so that it is easily accessible by clicking the Arrival, Departure tab. Under the Program tab, you can access a detailed overview over the whole project, such as comments, pricing, schedules. Everything is accessible here in one view. Here you can also manually change the default markup or override prices from the system in case there are prices that are specific for this project. You can also make certain services optional so that they show in the proposal but not calculated in the final price. Once you're satisfied with the proposal schedule, navigate to the Content tab where you can use the services you've added to create a polished proposal presentation for your client. First, we start by adding a great-looking hero image that is the first thing the client will see, so choose well. Next, you can add the display title as well as subtitle and a short description to grab the attention and really sell the proposal. Under the description, there is the Included, Not Included part where you use the Generate button to populate the included list with the services that are in the proposal and a default Not Included items. You can easily manually add or delete items from these lists. There is also the Highlights part, which will pull in the most important services and displays them visually in the proposal. Below is the Day-by-Day Content Builder, your flexible content builder, where you can add more detailed itinerary description with beautiful images. The system uses the text and images from the services database you already have built up. It also offers you free-form text and images and preset content, snippets you can quickly use to add and build up your proposals. The system also offers a live preview of the client-facing proposal, so you can quickly see exactly what the client will see and adjust your content accordingly. When you are satisfied with the results, press Publish near the top right corner and coreDMC prepares a proposal based on the current prices and content that you can view and send to your client.